Hi and welcome back to the Cocktail Vlog. I'm Steve the bartender and today I'm going to show you how to make a Bellini. I may get accosted for this because this is a little bit of a variation. This one is from Difford's Guide, so he's got a couple of extra ingredients. So the traditional Bellini originates from Italy and it's pretty much just white peach puree and Prosecco. So not nice and simple, but this particular recipe, I need to make it look like I'm doing something, so I'm gonna follow Difford's recipe and add a few extra ingredients, being the peach liqueur and a little bit of lemon juice, and see how it goes. And also, I'd normally serve this in a flute glass, but I don't really have any nice champagne flutes, so I'm gonna serve it in a larger coupe glass. Just keep in mind that when you add sparkling to a glass like this, because there's more surface area, those bubbles are gonna dissipate quicker, as opposed to a champagne flute, which is going to keep the carbonation in the cocktail. But anyways, let's get started. So I'm going to start with a shaker. So start by adding 60 mils of your white peach puree, which to me seems like a lot, but I'm following the recipe and I'll see how it goes. And then a peach liqueur. So you can use something like Gifford's, De Kuyper, Marie Brizard. I have recently acquired this bottle, which is a wine-based aperitif, and it's a peach liqueur, and it's actually got a really nice flavour to it. It's not overly sweet, and it actually tastes like fresh peach, so I thought I'd give this a go instead. So 15 mils, half an ounce, and because you have that additional, just that tiny little bit more sweetness, that sugar content from that liqueur, we're going to balance it out with a little bit of sourness, but only a tiny bit. So 7.5 mils of lemon juice, a quarter ounce. And I'm going to shake those ingredients, strain it into the coupe glass before adding the Prosecco. Now I'm only giving it a really short shake because I don't want to add extra dilution to the drink. I just want to make it, just combine all the ingredients. So strain into that chilled coupe glass. If you've got a flute, of course, use that instead. And top with Prosecco. If you like, you can give it a gentle stir, but I think those ingredients are mixed quite well. So before I give it a tasting, I should probably run into a little bit of background about this drink. As far as I know, it was made in Harry's Bar in Venice, in Italy, and it was originated 1945, 1948. I read a couple of different variations, so I'm not exactly sure, but around that kind of era. White peaches and Prosecco is the base recipe, but obviously there's a little bit of variation, and I think it's going to work out quite well. Cheers. You can just smell the fresh peaches, like it smells sweet. It's gonna be nice. Tasty. It's exactly what I was expecting. I mean, I've had them before, not for many years. I'm not a big Bellini drinker, to be honest, but it's pretty tasty. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon for another cocktail video. Cheers. Which I'll organise now. I'll do the click and then I'll appear.